Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. So, my dear friends, how are you? I am so happy that you are back to see me with this new video. Thank you so much for your time. So, my dear friends, let me know how is your lockdown period going. I hope you are not getting bored and you are enjoying your days and you are actually indulging yourselves in positive activities that actually refresh up your minds and your souls. So, don't get bored because I'm here to talk to you. So let's enjoy our time together and do not let this period actually disturb our minds as well as our physical health. I hope you are taking all the precautionary measures and you are loving all the stuff that I am sharing with you. My dear friends, please hit like to this video, and in this video we are going to see very beautiful amazing collection of crochet gowns, and some of them are Irish crochet flower gowns and some of them are simple crochet gowns. As you know, when we talk about wedding gowns or wedding dresses, it's actually the dream dress of every woman or every girl, because women or girls are so touchy when it comes to their wedding dresses or wedding gowns. It's a big day, I think one of the biggest days of a girl's life, and everyone wants to look highly pretty, super stylish, and so uniquely decorated and very, very beautiful and stunning that everyone just admires, and just whatever is the way, whatever is the dress, whatever are your makeup skills or whatever is this, but one thing is that the dress or the outfit or the gown that you are going to choose for your wedding must be unique, must be so stylish and also comfortable. One thing is very important, that it must be very comfortable. I think you agree with me on this point, because when we go for something that is not comfortable and we have to carry or wear those outfits for a long time, then it becomes a little like irritating thing for us, because brides have to wear those gowns for a long period of times, because during receptions and so many other things that are included in our ceremonies. For example, like in our Pakistani culture, it happens that there are so many traditional kind of things that happen, and they are all actually called the shadi ki rasmein, and those shadi ki rasmein actually go on with the time, and the bride has to actually wear that gown or the heavy dress. Like here is popular lehengas for the long period of time, and if it's heavy and uncomfortable, then it makes the bride feel so tired and feel so irritated. So while selecting your wedding dresses or wedding gowns, you must be careful about that it's going to give you a different kind of pretty beauty and different kind of glow and different kind of stylish look. But along with that, it must not be like one that irritates you at any time and you feel comfortable without worrying to wear it for any time period. So there are so many stylish designs. I hope you are liking, and even if you are a crochet lover and you love to do crochet by your own hands, and you are a person who loves to do the things in an artistic way and you have excellent creative skills, then even you can go and make these gowns for yourself. For example, this one is the picture is not very difficult to make. You only have to take flowers to arrange flowers. You can even buy the flowers and make some by using ribbons by your own hands, and you can attach these on the gown and just make the tail stitched in a peacock tail way, and it looks so stunning and gives an entire different look. I hope you are liking. This one is also very pretty, very beautiful. All the dresses, all the gowns are so beautiful, so stylish that you are actually going to love these styles. And this pink and white one is also so stunning with pink flowers in white. It is adding colors to it. If you want to see some other collection, let me know in the comment section. And if you are watching me for the first time, just hit the subscribe button and keep watching. I am so thankful for your support and positive gestures. Okay, till the next video, take care. And if you want to see some other customized collection or any other thing I would be surely bringing to do, then take care, and Allah Hafiz for the next video. Bye bye.